Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm gonna make some shaker bookmarks using one of my DIY Project Life kits. And this kit has a 6x8 paper pad, but you could also use the journaling cards too. And I'm gonna start with my fuse tool and some leftover page protectors. Sometimes my weeks are a little bit slow, so I cut a 12 by 12 page protector and turn it into an either a 6 by 12 or a 9 by 12. So those leftovers I do keep for little projects like these. And from this 4 by 6 piece I'm gonna get 2 bookmarks. So make sure you go all around the bookmark. I made 2 lines around it to make sure that nothing was going to slip out. If you use either glitter or very small sequins, sometimes they do come out because I've had a few of these bookmarks before. So it's better to use sequins and pieces and things like that. To cut it, I can't use my guillotine, so I am using my Fiskars trimmer. And I'm gonna use this bead scoop metal tool to put my sequins into these little pouches. And the little pouch that jar that I'm using for those sequins is the sequin mix that I made specifically for this kit. But I'm gonna bring in some pink sequins and some fruit ones. They're not sequins, they're like made with polymer clay. And I'm just gonna fill it and keep mixing everything so it's not divided by color. You could do that. That would be a cool look too if you did like a rainbow and then mix the colors. I might try that out later. So in this little jar I also had a few seed beads and little fruits and things like that. I also had black, white, a bunch of colors that went well with the paper pad, because when I do my DIY kits everything comes from the paper pad. And this is one of the sequin organizers that I use. I do have another one from Dari's, but I do have a little sequin display in my craft room, and I might have to take a picture of that and share it because I don't think I have. But I'm gonna link the little bottles below. The little jar is from Dollar Tree though. The jars are from Amazon, but not the jar, I'm sorry, the little bottles, I call them potion bottles. They're not, but you know what I mean. I bought them for my Harry Potter Christmas tree, so they stayed my little potion bottles. I'm gonna keep mixing it until I think everything is as mixed up as I can get it. And you're gonna cut a piece of 3 inches by the width of your bookmark, and you're gonna fold it and turn that 3 inches into 1.5. And I'm making these as part of Tombow's Sharing Art Matters project, and it's really easy. You just make a piece of art or a craft, and then you download some printables that they have on the Tombow USA website, tombowusa.com, and they have an informational sheet, and they also have like a template to add stickers that says hashtag sharing art matters. And I'm gonna leave these at my local library, so you should make a project, download the printables and glue them onto your project, and take a picture and share it in social media, and then leave it behind for someone else to find and enjoy. And I'm gonna link right here on the right my first Sharing Art Matters project. It will be available on my YouTube channel in a few weeks, but for now you can enjoy it on the Tombow USA YouTube channel. And it's really simple. You just fold it in half, and there's one stuck in there, and you want to leave some space between the top and so you can punch a hole once you glue everything. I'm going to use the Tombow Extreme adhesive, and this is the best one for gluing things on a page protector. Is the one I use all the time, never fails, things don't fall off. It's such an awesome glue for these kind of weird surfaces. And I'm gonna do the same. That way, A, you're not gonna get any loose sequence, and B, they all kind of like go down so you can see them more. And I'm gonna go a little overboard with the adhesive because we never know how careful or not people are gonna be with these, so it's better to be slightly paranoid than having something break all over the floor of someone's house. And this little rubber piece had like a little stain, so I used the Tombow Mono eraser to clean it up, and it worked perfectly. This adhesive is also awesome for using on resin, on rubber, wood veneers. They're perfect for that. And I'm just gonna add a little word sticker. I'm gonna add a little bit of adhesive so it doesn't come off. I'm going to use as inspiration the things that I have in my embellishment box for this kit, and also the pattern paper that I used. And I'm going to loop a bunch of twine through the little hole on the top, because I was going to leave it like that, but I don't know why whenever I make a bookmark I need to like a little fringe on the top. These are really easy to make. You can make a bunch at the same time. I made 4 in one sitting, and it's a great little thing. I also make these whenever I give someone a book as a present. I make them a little bookmark too. So these are one of the sheets that you're gonna get on the Tombow USA website. And you can get one with a circle, which is made for some Avery labels. But you can also print this one without the circles and then punch them with a paper punch. And I'm using the Tombow removable adhesive, mono removable adhesive, because that way they can remove it from the bookmark and it won't ruin the paper or the bookmark. And that's it, easy as that. I'm gonna go in a few close-ups with these, and I'm just gonna hide them around my local library, and I'm gonna put a little sticky note that says free bookmark, because otherwise people are gonna be like, oh, someone forgot this, let me not grab it. But on the contrary, we want people to grab it and happily use them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to use the hashtag Sharing Art Matters if you either find something, or if you decide to make something that would be really, really cool, make sure you tag Tombow too. And this is the mono removable adhesive that I use for the labels, and this one for the whole bookmark. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye.